Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to enable hidden folders in Windows 11. To enable hidden folders in Windows 11, start by opening a new File Explorer window. In the new window, click on the View tab. Next, hover your mouse over the Show section. In the next window, click on the Hidden Items option to enable or disable the display of hidden files and folders on your computer. You can also find the same setting and additional settings by clicking on the ellipses menu next to the View tab. Next, click on Options. In the new window, click on the View tab. In the new window, you'll have the same option to show hidden files and folders. But you'll also have additional settings where you can enable the viewing of empty drives, extensions, and protected system files. You should really only change these settings if you have advanced computer knowledge and you're looking for something specific. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.